Today we are looking at something that completely redefines luxury travel in America. This is the 2026 ultra-luxury double-decker motorhome, a rolling mansion built for those who refuse to compromise between adventure and first-class living. This is not just an RV. This is a statement on wheels. A full-glass, multi-level masterpiece designed to dominate highways, mountain roads, and luxury RV parks across the USA. Imagine cruising along the Pacific Coast Highway, the Rocky Mountains in the background, sunset reflecting off the full panoramic glass walls of your two-story mobile mansion. From the outside, the 2026 model looks like it belongs in the future. A massive aerodynamic front end, custom chrome grille, LED matrix headlights, polished fuel tanks, multi-axle heavy-duty chassis, and a stretched double-deck body finished in high-gloss metallic silver. Every line is sculpted for presence. Every angle is built to turn heads. This 2026 double-decker motorhome sits on a reinforced heavy-duty commercial truck platform engineered for extreme durability. Under the hood, you're looking at a powerful turbo diesel engine producing massive torque, allowing this luxury giant to glide smoothly even on steep inclines. The advanced air suspension system keeps the ride balanced and stable, while intelligent traction control ensures confidence whether you're on highways, desert roads, or mountain terrain. Step closer and you immediately notice the floor-to-ceiling tempered glass panels wrapping both levels. This isn't typical RV window design. This is architectural luxury. The lower deck features expansive sliding glass sections that blur the line between indoors and outdoors. At night, warm ambient lighting transforms the entire motorhome into a glowing glass villa on wheels. Now let's step inside the lower level. As the automatic entry stairs deploy, you're welcomed into a grand open concept living area. Premium Italian marble flooring. Soft ambient LED strips integrated into the ceiling. Smart climate control with multi-zone temperature adjustment. The main lounge area features ultra-plush reclining sofas wrapped in high-grade leather. A massive 85-inch 4K smart TV rises from a concealed cabinet. Surround sound speakers are integrated into the walls, delivering cinematic audio quality. Moving toward the kitchen, the 2026 model features a full chef-grade setup. Quartz countertops. Induction cooktop. Built-in convection oven. Smart refrigerator with touchscreen control. Hidden storage compartments with soft close mechanisms. There's even a built-in wine cooler and automated coffee station. This is not a camper kitchen. This is a luxury penthouse kitchen engineered for life on the road. Adjacent to the kitchen is a formal dining area with a glass table and premium seating for 6. Imagine hosting dinner while parked overlooking Yosemite, Miami Beach, or the Grand Canyon. The panoramic glass walls give you 360-degree views while maintaining complete privacy thanks to smart electro-tint glass technology that adjusts transparency at the touch of a button. Now let's talk about the staircase. The illuminated floating staircase with tempered glass railings connects the lower and upper decks. Each step lights up automatically as you walk, adding to the futuristic ambience. Upstairs is where the magic continues. The upper deck is designed as a private luxury suite and sky lounge. The master bedroom features a king-size adjustable bed, built-in ambient lighting, and a retractable ceiling panel that reveals a stargazing glass roof. You can literally sleep under the stars while parked anywhere in America. The master bathroom rivals high-end hotel suites. A full-size rainfall shower with glass enclosure. Heated marble floors. Smart mirror with integrated display. Dual vanities. Premium fixtures in brushed gold finish. There's even a walk-in closet with LED lighting and secure compartments for valuables. But this 2026 double-decker motorhome doesn't stop at interior luxury. Head up to the rooftop deck and you'll find an open-air lounge area. Safety glass railings surround the perimeter. There's outdoor seating, a compact bar setup, and optional built-in barbecue grill. Integrated solar panels line the roof, providing sustainable auxiliary power while you travel off-grid. Driving this massive luxury vehicle is surprisingly smooth thanks to advanced driver assistance features. Adaptive cruise control. Lane keeping assist. Blind spot monitoring for all axles. 360-degree parking cameras. Digital dashboard with customizable display panels. This motorhome is built for high-net-worth travelers, influencers, touring professionals, and entrepreneurs who want mobility without sacrificing comfort. It's perfect for cross-country road trips, luxury camping experiences, mobile offices, or even full-time RV living at the highest level. Now let's talk numbers. A build like this in 2026 would likely fall into the multi-million-dollar range depending on customization. Every unit can be tailored with personalized finishes, materials, technology packages, and layout adjustments. Buyers can choose exterior colors, interior themes, smart system upgrades, and performance packages. What truly makes this 2026 double-decker motorhome viral-worthy is the presence. When this rolls into an RV park, it doesn't blend in. It dominates. It becomes the center of attention. People stop. Cameras come out. Social media lights up. This is Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube gold. Imagine documenting a full USA road trip in this machine. Morning coffee on the rooftop deck in Colorado. Sunset dinner overlooking California cliffs. Nighttime stargazing in Arizona deserts. Luxury meets freedom in a way few vehicles on Earth can deliver. This is not just transportation. This is lifestyle engineering. It represents success, independence, and the ultimate version of mobile living in 2026. If you love cutting-edge luxury vehicles, futuristic motorhomes, and next-level RV innovations, this 2026 double-decker motorhome is the pinnacle of what's possible today. Let me know if you want me to now create high-impact USA viral titles, SEO description, keywords, and hashtags for this 2026 double-decker motorhome video.